Welcome to Blue Flame Firefighting LLC, a leading supplier and installation service provider for firefighting, fire suppression system and fire alarm systems in UAE and North Africa.
DCP Fire Extinguisher Supplier in Dubai. We supply all kinds of fire extinguishers in Dubai. Blue Flame Firefighting is a leading supplier of DCP fire extinguisher in Dubai. We are also doing refilling and maintenance of fire extinguisher in Dubai and in other emirates of UAE. We are the largest supplier of CO2 and DCP fire extinguisher cylinders in United Arab Emirates.
This is a dry powder fire extinguisher, sometimes referred to as a dry chemical extinguisher. It is easily identified by its color, red with a white band. It contains a powdered substance that, when discharged, can be used on most classes of fires, including flammable solids, flammable liquids, and equipment connected to an electrical source. To operate a dry powder extinguisher, as with most types of fire extinguishers, remember the PASS acronym. P. Pull the pin. A. Aim the nozzle. S. Squeeze the trigger. S. Sweep the fire. Pull the pin. Hold the extinguisher upright. Twist the pin to break the seal. Then pull the pin to release the trigger mechanism. Aim the nozzle. Stand back from a safe distance. Aim the nozzle at the base of the flames. Squeeze the trigger. Grip the trigger so that the upper and lower parts of the trigger are pressed together. The contents of the extinguisher will start to discharge. Sweep the fire. Sweep the nozzle in a side-to-side manner. Aim the nozzle under the flames. Only use a fire extinguisher if it is safe to do so. Make sure you have a clear line of retreat and alert people nearby. When you have used a fire extinguisher, even if it is only for the shortest time, it must not be put back on its bracket. Make sure it is put to one side and arrangements are made to have it recharged as soon as possible.
Visit our website to contact us or call mobile number 00971528078039. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.